How are the heaviest gold nuggets found using placer mining? Imagine holding a piece of Earth's history in your hand, a massive gold nugget that weighs over 70 kilograms. How do miners find such colossal treasures? Well, it all comes down to a method called placer mining. This process is like nature's own gold sorting machine, and it has been responsible for discovering the largest gold nuggets in history. Placer mining targets loose sediments where gold has been washed away from its original source and settled in riverbeds, streams, or ancient river channels. Because gold is much denser than most other minerals, it tends to sink and gather in low-energy spots where water slows down. Think of bends in a river or behind big rocks. These are prime spots where heavy gold can settle and stay put for centuries. Over time, these deposits can build up into enormous nuggets, waiting to be uncovered. The process begins with prospecting. Miners look for areas with a history of gold finds or signs that gold might be nearby. They use simple tools like pans, which are shallow dishes, to swirl sediments and separate gold from lighter materials. Larger operations might use sluice boxes, long troughs with riffles that trap heavy particles, or even dredges that scoop up large amounts of gravel from riverbeds. Sometimes, heavy machinery like bulldozers or excavators are used to move huge amounts of gravel and expose deeper layers. Since gold is so heavy, it resists being carried by water. That's why the biggest nuggets are often found close to their original source, in spots where water flow has remained steady over many years. Miners look for pay streaks, concentrated layers of gold, usually near bedrock or in cracks and crevices. These are the prime hiding spots for large nuggets, which have been washed downstream but then settle into these natural traps. Some of the largest gold nuggets ever found were discovered through placer mining. For example, the Welcome Stranger from Australia weighed over 70 kilograms, and the Pepita Canaã from Brazil weighed around 60.8 kilograms. Both of these were found in shallow gravels, not deep underground. Their size is a direct result of water's natural ability to concentrate heavy objects over long periods. In North America, famous finds like the Alaska Centennial Nugget, which weighed over 9 kilograms, were also discovered in creek beds or old river channels. Even during the California gold rush, prospectors found large placer nuggets, like the Frico Nugget, which weighed over 6.3 kilograms, and a massive placer nugget over 49 kilograms. These discoveries show how effective placer mining is at uncovering giant gold pieces. Placer mining works so well for finding the heaviest gold nuggets because of gold's high density. It naturally sinks and concentrates in specific spots. Plus, the method is simple and accessible, often used by individual prospectors or small teams. Large nuggets tend to be near the surface or just below, where erosion has exposed them or where they have settled over hundreds of years. All these factors make placer mining a perfect way to find giant gold nuggets. It's a natural process that has created some of the most impressive natural wonders in the world of gold. These enormous nuggets stand as proof of Earth's geological power and the persistent human quest to find treasures hidden in nature's most unassuming places.